Good morning and welcome to Men of the People Tax Topics. My name is Bob Hannon. I'm a certified public accountant. Also with us today is our brand ambassador, Siobhan Collins. Hey, Siobhan.
Hello.
All right. The purpose of the series is to help you get more money back in your refund through planning and understanding of the tax code. Let's go. Number one. Today, once again, we're talking about the earned income credit and documenting your earned income. Remember, we said you'd want to have about $10,000 with one child, okay? And closer to 15 with 2 or more children. Let's go. We're on a roll. Now, 3 types of income we're going to talk about. These are common. W-2 income. You're an employee. You work somewhere. This is the best because your Social Security tax has already been paid. All right? It'll result in a bigger refund when you have a W-2. Also, you probably had some federal tax withheld. 1099 income, that's pretty good too because it's documented. Somebody said they gave it to you, the IRS, they'd have a hard time saying it didn't happen, okay? It's very easy to document. Small business income. That's something we want to talk about in a big way today. I want to make sure if you're doing something on the side, we get things as formal as possible. All right, go ahead, one more here. Oh, here's a question from the brand ambassador, Siobhan Collins. Go ahead, Siobhan.
This question is from Kathy, and she hails from Freetown, Maryland.
Oh, hey, doesn't she owe us money? She's one of our clients. Okay, I'm kidding. Of course, Kathy. Kathy, I'm being funny. Go ahead.
First, she says, Bob, you are really fantastic. My whole family is coming to you now to get their taxes done.
Absolutely, Kathy. Thank you for those referrals.
Her question is, I'm driving for Uber. What documentation do I need?
Once again, all right, Uber is going to issue you a 1099. All right, that'll be great. That's perfect documentation. That'll be documentation for everything that you have coming in. What you also need to keep track of is your mileage. That's the big thing on your car, the mileage, and that's a great way to go. Mileage on your car, okay, they're giving you 55 cents a mile in deductions. Heaven's sakes, you might have more deductions than you even have in income. It's a very generous situation with the mileage. I recommend, in fact, the IRS requires that you have a contemporaneous record each day. Each day you have to look and decide where you've been and the jobs you've done. Now, Uber might have a printout. I'm not real sure, but I'm pretty certain that Uber will give you a printout of all the jobs you've had. Tax court will say that's fine. IRS will say it's not fine. Bring it to me. If you're having trouble, you bring it to me. I'll take care of it. It's third-party documentation is always better than a contemporaneous log. Okay, the standard is a contemporaneous log, but if you do better than the standard, tax court will take it. Go ahead, Siobhan.
Once again, thanks, Bob.
Hell yeah. Come on, let's go, Siobhan. I love it when I can do good things for people. All right, earned income credit okay, here's some one, folks. You have a small little business, take in some money, operate as formally as possible. And you'll impress the IRS. Impress them with the fact that you're operating formally. Let's go, Siobhan. Here's the 3 things I want you to do. Choose your entity type. You might be a sole proprietor, an LLC, a subchapter S, a little corporation. That's all fine. See that in the next video. I'll go into great detail on that. That's important. Get an employer identification number. It only takes a few minutes. Give me a call. I'll show you how to do it. All right? If you're a client, there won't be any problem at all. That's very important because you're going to take that employer identification number and you're going to open a bank account. And anything you get from this business, you're going to put into that bank account. Okay? Once again, everything's lined up. Everything's accounted for. They have to give you credit because you're going to be so formal about everything. Also, you want to keep contemporaneous records. It's real discouraging to see people try to build these records at the end of the year. You can't do it. You can do it, okay? All right? So I want you to do those 4 things, and that'll make sure we're in good stead with our friends at the IRS. Go ahead, Siobhan, one more. A question from the brand ambassador. Go ahead, Siobhan.
This question is from Annie. She's in Baltimore, Maryland.
Hi, Annie.
She says, Bob, you are really the man of the people.
All right. Thanks, Annie.
Thanks for helping us every year.
You betcha.
I am babysitting for my friend. Can I use that as income for earned income credit?
Absolutely, Siobhan, but this one draws a lot of attention from the IRS. Formality is the key once again. Make sure you have the names and make sure you have the numbers, okay, of all the people who are giving you money. Deposit the money weekly, even if it's cash. Put it in the account, all right? And if you can, get them to put a 1099 in for you, okay? That they gave you that money. That'd be a great thing. But it's okay if they have it. But I want a contemporaneous log. I want you telling me every week who you babysat for, the name of the kid, the days he was there, everything, all right? And then we'll put together a pretty good plan for you. But the more formal you can be, using those four. Siobhan, can we go back to those 4 steps again? I'm just going to reiterate them right now. Choose your entity type, okay? See that next video. Get an employer identification number. You're operating in the business. You're not just babysitting. You're not 14 years old, okay? Open that bank account. And once again, keep contemporaneous records, all right? All right. Go ahead, Siobhan. Go ahead. One more. Oh, that's a wrap. See us at taxprep.tax. Once again, we're at taxprep.tax. See you in the next video. Thank you, folks.